Y'all gonna have to kill me tonight. Y'all gonna have to kill me tonight.
I want to kill you. Come here.
Nah, y'all gonna have to kill me because I ain't going to jail. I ain't do shit.
Okay.
I want to see my son.
Houston, Texas. A routine evening for two police officers takes a bizarre turn when they are approached by a man named Gustavo Sandoval. His request: help with a lost box of cereal and milk. But beneath this mundane complaint was a ticking time bomb of mental instability and hidden violence. In the next few minutes, you will witness how a confusing conversation escalated into a life-altering attack that left one officer severely injured and a father dead on the pavement. What went wrong? And could this tragedy have been avoided? This is the full breakdown of the Houston milk and cereal confrontation. The following footage begins inside a local convenience store.
What's up, officers?
This is this guy.
You know me out, man.
What's going on, boss?
So I pretty much, I left my cereal and my milk on the bus, and I'm already stressing because I don't want to talk about it. Literally, unless y'all want to know.
Yeah, just talk outside, boss.
Come on. And I'm freaking out, bro.
Hey, well, first of all, don't be slamming the boys.
That's how I opened it. I just went like this.
Relax. Put all your stuff down.
No, I'm okay like this.
Notice the officer's repeated commands to put the bags down. In police training, an object in a suspect's hand is a potential shield or a distraction for a concealed weapon.
Put all your, if you
Man,
want our help,
if you want to not mess with me,
help and you want us to talk, you need to put that stuff
down. Because I'm not going to tell you what I got going on in my life. You want to play with me? I'm not playing with y'all.
What the hell are you reaching for? Stop.
You ain't going to shoot me, bro.
What are you reaching for?
Let me go. I'm a father, bro.
Don't you reach, you understand?
Bro, then shoot, empty out that right now.
Reach.
Empty it. Come on, bro. I don't got time for you cops. Go ask your sergeant.
What's going on?
You came to us, man.
Let me walk over there and I'll tell you what's going on.
No, you're gonna stay right here. What's going on?
You're not gonna tell me what to do. My freedom.
You came to us to help.
I promise, bro. To nobody.
What's going on?
Because y'all are the police that can help me. But the stage y'all doing this that they always do.
You
and
came
I'm not
to us.
You want me to go into the law and start going into codes and statutes?
What is going on? What happened? What happened to the milk and cereal thing? What is your name?
My name is Gustavo Sandoval Rico.
Okay, hold on. Let me get your info.
Chill, man.
Hold on. You have an ID on you?
No.
Okay, you said Gustavo?
G-U-S-T.
Yeah.
ABO. Man, y'all wasting my time, bro. I'm finna walk away, bro, and if it doesn't matter.
Gustavo what?
Sandoval? S-A-N-D.
Okay.
Oh my God, 0419 98. You're not gonna touch me.
0419.
On everything I love.
98.
I don't give a I'm gonna empty that mother. I'm a dad, bro, and I haven't seen my son in a long time.
We're trying to help you.
And over a year.
You came to us for help. So we're trying to help you. You understand that?
Yes, I know.
Okay.
Do not try me.
Hold on,
Do
bro.
not try me. Don't try me. You get closer. I'm a
man. Stop reaching.
Man, bro.
Turn around.
No.
Turn around.
No.
Let me go. Let me tell y'all what's wrong.
That's what we're trying to
My
talk to you
apartment complex is getting bashed
Okay.
in
Stop.
by other that's not human.
You need to chill out. You understand me? You need to chill
I'm
out.
trying, bro. I am chilling, but you're not gonna touch me. I didn't break no law. I didn't do nothing suspicious. And I know my statutes and codes, bro, and I will sue you.
Okay.
Because I'm gonna record y'all.
Stop. God damn.
Recording. Hey, I came into CBS over here.
You asked for help.
No.
You asked for help.
They're gonna kill me tonight then. They're gonna kill me tonight.
Stop.
Hey, y'all don't.
We're literally just asking for help.
Y'all gonna have to kill me tonight.
The dialogue at this moment reveals a tragic and irreversible psychological shift. Sandoval previously mentioned non-human entities and codes, clear indicators of a psychotic break or severe paranoia. This has now transformed into a textbook suicide by cop scenario. He is no longer responding to logic or commands. He has set a deadly ultimatum. Legally, the officers are now in a bind. While they clearly recognize a mental health crisis, their primary duty is to ensure public safety and their own survival. Sandoval has decided the outcome. From this point on, the officers are simply forced to react to his escalation.
y'all gonna have to kill me tonight.
I want to kill you. Come here.
Nah, y'all gonna have to kill me because I ain't going to jail. I ain't doing
You're okay.
I want to see my son.
Okay, we're gonna try to help you.
I'm not. Y'all go welfare check.
Hey, relax.
Welfare check. Y'all finna get it. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Back up. Back up. My son.
Get away.
My son. My son. My son. Hey, stop. Get the back up! Shots fired! You're good, you're okay. Shots fired, he has a knife. We have one officer cut on the head. Hey, get him, I got him! You're okay. Hey, put pressure on your head. Put pressure on your head. Hey, you're okay. You're okay.
I'm good.
2-13. My camera deactivated. I reactivated just now. I shot him.
Okay. We got him cool?
Hey, I'll hold him at gunpoint. You holster up.
Okay.
21 knock it in.
Okay, so you guys
13.
have contact.
We need EMS right now.
Let me push it. That I got it. Have a seat, guards.
No, because I'm good.
You're okay. I'm right here.
I got it. You got it.
Ma'am, step away, ma'am.
Have a seat.
Please.
Have a seat. I got it. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Take the holster.
Are you a nurse? Okay, this is my partner needs help.
Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat.
He's stabbed in the head. Come on, nurse. You're okay.
Where are your gloves? Where are the gloves at?
I got gloves. Don't worry about it.
They're in my car. The door's open. They're in my car.
Hey, it's right here. Hey, ma'am. Let's go, guard. I got you.
Hey, somebody secure his weapon.
I got it. I'll take his gun belt off.
Wing
Get up.
for me.
Lay up.
Hey, that's secured. I don't want to take it.
Okay.
That belt. Toss it over.
Yeah, he's going to bed top.
Y'all shit. Y'all want to go home with him? Go bed top.
I don't know, wherever you want to go. Wherever you guys
I want to take him to Herman.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with it. Okay.
Yeah. Jump in the back. Yeah.
The aftermath of this incident left the Houston community in shock. Following the shooting, an internal investigation was launched by the HPD Homicide Division. The officer who was stabbed suffered a severe laceration to his scalp, requiring multiple stitches and months of recovery. The second officer's use of deadly force was ultimately ruled as justified under the department's use of force policy, as he was defending his partner from a lethal knife attack. Forensic reports later confirmed that Sandoval was indeed armed with a folding knife. This case remains a primary example in police academies across the country of how a welfare check for something as minor as milk and cereal can turn fatal in seconds. It raises a difficult question for society. How do we better equip officers for mental health calls, while still keeping them safe from sudden violence? Thank you for watching this breakdown. If you found this analysis insightful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. Deep dives into critical bodycam incidents. What's your take on the officer's actions? Leave a comment below.